Video number 16. Tips for effective paid internet advertising. How do we make sure that our paid advertising is performing as it should be? There are several simple things we can do to make sure we are getting the most bang for our buck. Number 1. Understand how long-tail keywords work. Long-tail keywords are the longer, more specific keywords that, when added together, make up the majority of search-driven traffic. In this, the much less popular term social media marketing courses online receives few searches, but better exemplifies a long-tail keyword. Finally, the best source of keywords can come from your own website. Remember, you will get a lot more bang for your buck by targeting a large number of lower traffic terms, than by targeting a small number of higher traffic terms. Consider using a survey tool, like Qualaroo, to find out what your customers are looking for. Number 2. Know the territory. To start with, you should understand some of the major types of paid advertising like display ads or banner ads and text ads. In the beginning, it is important to try several of the online options available and use hard data to make final decisions about where you want to put your money. Number 3. Have your tracking ready. Google Analytics is an absolute must when it comes to tracking online ad buying. Using Google Analytics custom campaigns, you can create a customized URL for each ad that will help you see overall performance for all of your advertising. Google Analytics custom campaigns make tracking easy with custom URL tags. Number 4. Review results regularly. Determine a set time period for reviewing your statistics and making changes. It might be monthly, it might be weekly. Be prepared to kill keywords that are underperforming. Use simple spreadsheets to track your incoming ad traffic. Number 5. Set a budget and plan for the long haul. Do not expect to be finished in a week or two. Again, cumulative trends and information will give you a clearer picture. Dedicate your time and funds for a serious study. Online advertising isn't a quick-fix solution, but rather one requiring patience and observation. You need to give it time and finesse your plan to get the best results. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.